Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're gonna be working on our waist. So we are hitting obliques today. That's the side abs right here. We're burning muffin tops, we're burning love handles, we're burning all that off. We're gonna be focusing on 4 exercises, all waist, baby, no time to waste. You're gonna need a yoga mat, grab your gear. Before we get started, click the like, click the subscribe. Let's get into this. So first off, we're gonna be starting with these exercises right here. Leaning on the side, leg is extended out, knee is down, arm comes up here, and we're going to bring that knee into our elbow and extend it, okay? Just like that. So full body extension we're doing here. Knee comes in, we're crunching this part of our waist, and knee goes back out. We're gonna be doing 3 sets of 10 on each side. Let's do 1 complete side first and then switch over to the other side. Let's get started.
Hey, come on. I'm a hot air balloon like a ghost place. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy, clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy, clap along if you feel like happiness is a truth. Because I'm happy, clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy, clap along if you feel like that's what you wanna do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Yeah. Well, give me all you got, don't hold it back. Yeah. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's what. Crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon like a ghost place. With the air, I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy, happy alone. Because I'm happy, happy alone. If you feel like happiness is a truth. Because I'm happy, happy alone. If you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy, happy alone. If you feel like that's what you wanna do.
Great job. Good job. Get yourself 20 seconds of rest. Come down into the sitting position. We're gonna be doing some Russian twists. You guys know the drill here. Back is nice and straight, feet are off the ground, hovering in a crisscross, and tap to tap, just like that. Let's get this Russian twist. 3 sets of 20.
Happiness is a truth. Because I'm happy, if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy, if you feel like that's what you wanna do.
we just did 3 sets of Russian twists. Give yourself a 20-second rest. Coming down into this plank position here, we're gonna be doing side-to-side kicks. So bringing opposite knee to opposite elbow, just like this. Really working out those obliques along with the side right here. We're gonna do 3 sets of 20. So 1, 2, 1 knee, 2, 3, 4, up to 20. Also, make sure you're keeping your back nice and straight, just like this. Butt is kind of tucked in and aligned with your spine. Not too much of this and not too much of this. That will both hurt your body. So keep your body nice and aligned and just side to side. You can go fast if you want to. I'm gonna go at a steady pace. Follow along. Let's get started. Great job, 20-second rest, and we have our last exercise here on our back. Coming down onto your back, we're gonna be doing some side crunches. Legs are gonna come up, and we're going to be crunching one side at a time, opposite elbow to opposite knee. Knees are standing right above the hips, not too close to the stomach, not too far, just about right here. So get in line, get your body lined right, put your hand down on the mat, nice and comfy. 3 sets of 20 each side, and start.
Curl your hair, run the extra mile, keep it slim so they like you. Do they like you? Get your sexy on, don't be shy, girl, take it off. This is what you want, to belong, so they like you. Do they like you? You don't have to try so hard. You don't have to get on the way. You just have to get up. You don't have to change a single thing. You don't have to try. You don't have to try. You don't have to try. It's a beat remix. Do you like you? Do you like you? You don't have to try so hard. You don't have to give it all away. You just have to get up, get up, get up, get up. You don't have to change a single thing. You don't have to try so hard. You don't have to bend until you break. You just have to get up, get up, get up, get up. You don't have to change a single.
Good job, you guys. We just shredded our waist. Oh man, that last exercise was a burner, literally. My abs are gonna be sore tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed these exercises. If you did, leave me a big thumbs up. Don't forget, click the subscribe button and check out this upper body stretches routine right here or right here, wherever the video pops up. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.